Yep. Water pump.
The water pump is bad?
Yep. Yep.
I don't know if I can see, but
Water pump.
okay.
Water pump. Cae aquí. Pone para abajo.
That's a big job.
¿Ah?
That's a big job.
Yep. Hay que desarmar todo.
That's a big job. Because it doesn't hold the coolant, and I thought it was the oil. I checked the oil. The oil is still good, but it does not hold the coolant. Yeah,
Like
it's leaking it.
leaking water pump.
Yeah. Y'all getting me scared.
Your minimum drop is at least 1,000 minimum, easily.
Okay, now they say it's my water pump is going bad. Water pump. They say at least for parts, I might be end up paying $1,000 at least for parts. So sounds like a big ass job. Sounds like a big ass job. And I remember somebody on the comment section say that they said wait till your water pump going bad and you have to spend $1,000 on it. I think somebody said that, but I'm gonna go look for the comment and see if I can find it. Right here, you can see it. That's the water pump. It's a water pump leaking. So that's a shit. Gonna need money. And the funny thing is, I only got one car. And over there, I cannot see that oil leak. I don't know if it's part of the water pump. It's crazy, y'all. It's crazy when you got cars, you're spending a lot of money. Let's hear what the guy have to say now.
It would be $1,800. The labor itself is $1,000. The parts $800.
Okay.
And it'll take a week to get here to get the kit. 1 week to deliver. It would be from Advanced Auto Parts. If you want us to do the job, we'll need a deposit of $800. And then afterwards, you'll just pay the $1,000 for the labor.
Okay.
So whenever you want to call, come pick up. Just whenever you want us to do the job, just bring in the $800. We'll write you a receipt for a deposit, and then we'll call you when all the parts arrive.
But how long the job gonna take itself?
Probably
That's kind of like my only call.
a day and a half.
A day and a half.
Because afterwards we gotta start it up to make sure that it's running right and it opens up. Because you're replacing all the fluids, all the antifreeze, all the oil. We want to make sure it doesn't get hot.
Nah, it's not getting hot by my.
But after you change out
after we change it,
after you change the chain, you gotta make sure that it's firing right. Because if it's not put in properly, it's gonna shake and shut off.
So timing chain kit, water pump.
The timing chain kit with the water pump, it comes with it.
Oh,
That's why we have to. That's why you got to make sure that it doesn't overheat the water pump.
Okay. And that's the two difference.
Yeah. It's about 13 hours.
13 hours job.
13-hour job. Yeah.
God damn.
We charge $80 an hour for labor.
God damn.
Yeah, it's cheap compared to 125 or 150 anywhere else. So
I look on. I think I guess that's a major problem with them Fords. Cause I look online.
they're Chevy and Ford, yeah, they're shit. Like any car like this size, you should get Toyota or Mitsubishi. Get a Toyota Outlander. No. Get a Toyota Highlander or get a Mitsubishi Outlander. Those are the best ones right now for this kind of
For
size.
this kind of size.
Yeah, they're good. Or a Honda Odyssey. They're good. They're more Toyota than anything.
Okay.
Chevy and Ford garbage. They overheat easily, and then they start consuming oil, and then they go to shit.
Okay. What is that thing it says?
Harmonic balancer seal.
Harmonic balances.
Seal. It's a seal that goes right next to the clamps, right next to the timing chain.
Okay.
We're gonna be working on a certain section of the engine, and all the parts that go into it. We need to replace all of them, so that way there's no leak and no overheating. Or else you're gonna have to pay the money, the $1,000 again to go back in there. So any damage that's in there, we try to take care of it.
Okay.
Also to save you money, or else you're gonna have to go back in there and pay the $1,000 to put a part in, or a switch or a sensor. We try to make sure that everything in there is good.
Okay. Okay. You told me I can bring my own parts too, but
Okay,
is that a good idea?
if you bring your own parts, there is no warranty.
Oh yeah.
If you buy the parts with us, you'll come with the parts will come with a lifetime warranty, and we give you 3 months labor. I'll write it on here.
Okay. So another question: how safe is it now to drive?
It's not overheating?
Nah, it's not a very.
Okay. If we get all the parts if we get all the parts for you, it's a lifetime part warranty and 3 months labor coverage. Meaning, in 3 months, if it goes bad again, we'll fix it and there'll be no charge at all. After 3 months, you only have to pay for the labor. You don't have to pay for the parts. If you bring the parts, and whoever you bought the parts from, doesn't matter, Amazon or eBay, if they go bad, there's no warranty. You're gonna have to pay the $1,000 again to fix it. That's why we tell people, do not, for big jobs, don't buy online.
Don't buy your own. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, I straight. I didn't expect.
Yeah, it is. I told you it'd be expensive.
All right.
What do you call it?
Big man.
Yeah, don't drive it or else you'll lock up the engine. Damage.
Yeah, I can promise that. That's my only car right now.
No. Yeah, if you drive it like that and you damage the engine, then that's not gonna fix the problem anymore. You will have to replace the engine. You gotta think about it. How much are you gonna lose on replacing the engine versus the cost of Uber to go to work?
So you said I can give the 800
to order the parts.
Fixed, I bring the
1,000, yes.
1,000.
Yes. But yeah, you gotta give us a week. You gotta give us a week for the parts to arrive.
Man, that's the only place I can find.
I mean, I can try finding it somewhere else, like AutoZone. They'll give us a warranty too.
Yeah.
We'll mix and match, but
yeah, can you try that? Cause that's a long time.
let me see if I can find that.
Ah, damn, man.
Yeah.
I didn't expect to go spend that much money on that damn car. Golly.
Yeah, it's expensive. Yeah, but it's a normal problem. That one's.
It's a normal problem with them Fords.
Yeah. What a problem.
I mean, I price the timing chain in case you need it.
Okay.
But if you don't need it, I put only the water pump and the price is cheap, better.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
But I price the timing chain kit in case you need it
In
too.
case
You know?
if I need it.
Yeah,
okay.
but if you don't need it, it's less money.
Oh man, I hope I don't need it, man. Cause it's not like right now. It's not overheating. It doesn't give me.
How many miles?
It got, I think 10.
Yeah, it's not bad.
110. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's not high.
No.
So I hope I don't need the timing chain. Cause.
No. I mean, I price in case you need it. You know.
All right.
But if you don't need it, I'm not putting more in that.
Yeah.
Only put water pump.
Got
Baby, no, ahí tenemos el caliper y la manguera de la Suburban, no
Ya.
trajo el cliente.
Sí.
Ah, pues la vamos.
So basically, guys, so what they told me, if they order these are the parts that we're gonna need. Okay, I'm gonna need, and this labor and parts. But if they order, like they told me, if they order the parts, they're gonna have warranty and stuff like that. But if they don't, if I order my own parts, whatever happens is on me, and I'm gonna have to pay $1,000 again if something goes wrong to go inside of it, for them to go inside of it again to fix it. But they say they ordered the timing chain kit in case if I need it, but if I don't need the timing chain kit, it's gonna cost me around $1,550, but I'm still gonna pay $1,000 for that labor, because they still have to go to the timing chain to get to the water pump. The way Ford do that shit is really ridiculous and stupid. The way where the water pump, where Ford place it, is stupid. How the fuck you gonna place the water pump close where you gotta go to the timing chain, you know, to get to that shit? It's freaking ridiculous. So if I need everything, the timing chain, I'm gonna be paying the $1,800 in total. And he said a week, but by tomorrow, if I pay today, by tomorrow, if I pay $800 for the part today, by tomorrow, it should be arriving. They will start working on it. It's gonna take a day and a half to finish it. But if I don't need it, it's gonna be $1,550. So let me know, guys, if you guys think that's a fair price. Let me know in the comment section. And then if that ever happened to you, let me know, man. I'm out. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment.
I can use the key.
No, you're all good.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
No problem.
So parts still coming tomorrow, right? Because that's why I
Yeah, as soon as I order them, yeah.
Yes, because that's why I do all I can to get that thing. So I don't want that crap to be done.